Hey guys, Scott here. Today I am going to do a quick review on my Huntington Gas Grill. I've had this thing for a few years now and it still works pretty well, but I'm going to share also with you one of the big mistakes that I made. As far as the grill is concerned, it's super easy to use. A few things that I really like. I like the fact that it has the hooks on the side for the cleaning brush, has feet down at the bottom, and wheels on the other side, so it's really easy to move. Also a couple more hooks here and solid plastic trays. As you can tell, it's gotten plenty of use, and if I turn it on here, it still works really well. I'm going to turn the gas on here and look at that, lit right up first try. Now the big mistake that I've made with this, the biggest one is not having a grill cover. I would definitely recommend that you do that because as you can see here, this has really rusted out down below and it's causing issues now with even heating. So I need to get a new piece down there, and yeah, that's definitely a mistake on my part from not having it covered with a grill cover through all the rain and through the winter. But overall, I really like the grill and it's definitely one that I would recommend.